46% of men who own a house have no formal education. Ta-da! Hi guys, so today I saw this interesting article again, of course, where it said more uneducated men own homes than graduates. Listen to this, guys. More uneducated men in Kenya own a house than those who have attended middle-level colleges and university, a new survey suggests. The Demographic Health Survey of 2022 released by the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics shows that 46% of men who own a house have no formal education, compared to that 2% that have gone beyond secondary school. A similar pattern, get this, plays out on their female counterparts, with the data showing 10% of home owners are women with no formal education, compared to 3% who have gone to tertiary levels. This could be a reflection of the rural-urban migration patterns, where Kenyans end up in urban areas in search of jobs, where they end up renting, unable to, of course, afford the homes, while their counterparts in rural areas build the homes. This is what I've ever thought about it, but not, at least this data now comes and shows exactly what it means. Have you ever seen when us, Nairobians, go to ushago or rural home, as we say in Kenya, with your fancy car, and you go there with your nose up in the air, thinking of how really you're doing in life with your family, and you go there and you meet your friends who never actually finished secondary, some of them in primary schools. They usually look up to you and think how miserable their lives is. What they don't know is that most of these guys actually have built in their own shambas. Most of them have houses. While you here in Nairobi or in the urban areas, you are renting out in Kileleshwa or in posh places, paying 60,000, and of course you're unable to build your own home, or you're saving up. Something to think about, guys. See you on the next video.